Hello VIP Kid World, I hope you are doing fine. Today I'm going to unbox this awesome haul that I got at Target in the dollar section. It's back to school time, so there are some amazing deals you can get for a couple dollars. I spent only $15 and I basically decked out my classroom with whole new gear. So let me really quickly pull out what I have and unbox it for you. So I obviously had to get a reusable bag because I live in Honolulu and there is a 15-cent plastic bag tax. And smart me forgot my normal reusable bag, so 15 cents there. Then I got this awesome America-shaped corkboard just to like pin some stuff on, and this was $3. I got this two-sided poster. I love Dr. Seuss, I thought it was really cute. And so it's got one on each side. It says $1, but it actually rung up for only 50 cents, which is awesome. So this was the next thing. Then every VIP Kid teacher knows puppets will save the day if you have a student that is not being responsive to your normal TPR or is too scared to talk to you. So I got these cute little puppets, a horse and a pig, little hand puppets, and these were $3. I got this cute little dry erase time telling thing where you can kind of like draw the time on, and I was thinking you can draw it on and the students read it. There's a whole lesson, a whole unit about time, and I thought this would be perfect to hold up, show the kids, and then maybe test them like, what time is it now? What time is it now? So this is only $1. Every VIP Kid teacher knows that apples and the subliminal messaging to try to get the apples from the parents is a big deal. So I found these awesome dry erase apple banners. So it's 7 apples and you can write on all of them, and it's you can put messages on them and you can hang them up like a banner. I thought this was super cool and very with the VIP Kid brand. So this is only $3. This I got because I have the phonics certification, and this seemed like the perfect tool. I've seen some teachers actually hand make a similar tool to this, but it's a word spinner, and so it's got different letters and you kind of spin it around to make different words. So they have like SH, so there's shark, sheep, shine, shell, and you can spin it around and have the student read it. So I thought this would be cool for the phonics unit to hold up what the kids read around the wheel. So that one was awesome, and it's only $1. I got these awesome little bookmarks that say "You're a good apple," and I thought these would be a really cute reward to kind of put up behind me in the classroom. There's 24 pieces of them. They're technically bookmarks, but I think for VIP Kid purposes, this would be an awesome little reward. And these were only $1. I also got these little sight word flashcards. So it's just kind of some basic words that the student should know. Sometimes if you have a kid that is really advanced and you've just completely gone through the lesson, there's no way you can extend more. Having things like these have saved the whole lesson for me, just to continue to extend for the students' needs. So these were only $1 as well. The last thing that I got was this big poster. I just thought it was funny, honestly. The teachers have class, it's lame, but I thought it would be a cute decoration to the back of the classroom. It is double-sided. The mistakes are proof that you are trying, but I liked this one. This is more VIP Kid. That is what I got. That was my $15 VIP Kid Target dollar section haul, and I feel like my classroom is going to be totally revamped with all of the items that I got today, and I just feel ready for the upcoming school year. So I hope you guys are going to have a great day, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're thinking about joining VIP Kid, I will leave my referral code and my link in the description if you would like me to be your mentor. So I hope you have an awesome day and stay fine.